Entrar como antes, cuando tú y yo éramos amantes. Baby, yo no estoy para extrañarte. Que tú has dado un giro interno.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with my full face of all favorites makeup that I've been loving so much. Of all of the makeup that I have, this is the #1 makeup that I will reach out the most to. Without further of rumbling so much, let's begin with this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new or you haven't subscribed yet, and also click on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out any new videos from me, and you guys can be notified when I will be posting my next video. So let's begin. So for my eyebrows, my two kits that I've been using for my eyebrows are from Anastasia. The first one is the Anastasia pomade. Ebony is the one that I use, and as you guys can see, I hit pan on it, and I'm definitely gonna buy me another one because that's how much I love it. It's a really waterproof pomade and it's a really long lasting product. And the concealer that I've been wearing as well to define my eyebrows is the Anastasia concealer in the shade 5.0, and I love it because it's so creamy, it's really long lasting. And for my moisturizer, this is a moisturizer that I grab the most when I finish washing my face, and it's the L'Occitane, the Ultra Rich L'Occitane moisturizer. This is my #1 moisturizer that I love. If you have dry skin, I truly recommend you guys getting this. It's a pretty high-end product. It's really pricey, but it worth all of your money. I don't know how much I paid for it. I'm just gonna put it like somewhere around the screen. I purchased this at Sephora. I just love it so much because it really moisturizes your face. It doesn't feel sticky. So now let's begin by applying my makeup. I'm first gonna moisturize my face, and the moisturizer that I use and I love so much is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I just love this primer so much. It comes with a pump, so you basically can control the amount of product that you want. And I love it as well because it has coconut water, and coconut water is really well for your skin tone, as well as not skin tone, for your skin, as well as coconut oil. So anything that has to do with coconut, I just love the product. It doesn't make the foundation move or the makeup to move. After that, I like to apply another primer, but this primer I apply only on my nose area, and this is the Benefit the Professional Pore Balm. I love this primer for my pores around my nose. It doesn't show when I apply my foundation. Now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I don't use a eyeshadow primer. I use a concealer for eyeshadow primer, and I also use it to hide my dark circle. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and I love it so much. It's affordable and it's a really long lasting. So for palette, I'm gonna be using my Holy Grail palette that I just love since I got it, and it's the Anastasia Modern Renaissance Modern Palette. Now I'm gonna say the other word because I cannot say the other word, but it's a modern palette. I know that it's dirty. I've been using it so much, but not that much like I wanted to, that I haven't hit pan on it because I have some other palettes that I want to use as well, and I just don't want to leave it there just to collect dust, so I like to use my other palette. But this is the palette that I reach out the most. The colors are so beautiful, so creamy, so pigmented. It's just an everyday color. It's definitely for fall season, but I use it as well for spring, for summer, for winter. It doesn't have to be just for fall season. And I'm gonna be taking this color that is called Rose Sienna. It's gonna apply on my crease. Right after that, I'm gonna take another crease brush, and I'm gonna be applying the color that is next to it, that is called Burnt Orange. That's gonna be going on my crease as well, and I'm just gonna move it on the outer corner. Can you guys see how pigmented this palette is? Next, I'm gonna be taking an eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna be using this color. It's called Real Guard, and I'm gonna be applying it on my lid. I'm gonna go with the same crease brush, and I'm gonna be taking the Cypress Umber, and I'm gonna be applying it on my crease and on the outer corner just to smoke it out. I'm gonna go with mascara, and I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is my holy grail mascara. It really makes my real lashes pop a lot more. So for my false lashes, I'm gonna be taking one of my holy grail lashes, and this is my first false lashes since I started wearing false lashes, and this is the Kiss lashes in the number 11, and they kind of look like wispy lashes. It's a really nice false lashes to wear every day. It doesn't feel heavy on my eyes, and it doesn't look dramatic like some other lashes makes it look. And I'm gonna be taking my favorite glue as well, and it's from the same company. It's from Kiss, and this is the Strip Lash Headset black glue, and I like it because it's black, so it really, when you apply your eyeliner, your black eyeliner, it doesn't show the glue because it's black. So for foundation, this one is the one that I grabbed the most, and they are the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. I just love this foundation. It's really affordable, and this foundation give you a medium to full coverage, but it depends how many times you apply it. I have two. I have one in bronze and the other one is sand. Sand too light for me for right now, so I'm just gonna use the bronze one instead. So for my dark circles, I'm gonna take the toffee color that I apply as the eyeshadow primer for my eyes. I like this to hide my dark circles. For contouring, I'm gonna be taking Anastasia Contour Kit. This is my holy grail contour kit. I love it so much. The colors are so buttery and they are really pigmented. The color that I use is Tan to Deep. Blush, I'm gonna be using the NYX Sweet Chick blush palette. I love this one because it has some variety of colors, and there's a specifically one that I use that is the coral one. I used all of them, but the coral one is the one that I grabbed the most, and it's the one that I'm gonna be using today. It's so pigmented and a little bit goes along with. Go back again with that Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm just gonna contour my nose. But for my nose, I'm gonna be using this color. For highlighter, this is my favorite highlighter so much. I just love it. Ever since I got it, I fell in love with it, and I just love these highlighters. This is the Tarte's Pro Glow highlighter kit. This is how it looks like when you open it. So beautiful. These are the lighter shades and these are the darkest shades. These four ones at the top are the highlighter shades, and these are the bottom, the cream contour, and this is the powder contour. But I don't use this, I just use the highlighter. And the one that I use the most, as you guys can tell, is this shade right here. This one is called Fire. Look at this. So beautiful. I'm gonna move on to my final step, that is my lips. So I'm gonna take my NYX lip liner in the color brown. For liquid lipstick, I'm gonna take the Milani liquid lipstick, and this one is saying honey, honey, you know, honey. to set this makeup, I'm gonna be using the Milani Make It Last, and this is a must-have because it really lasts your makeup for the whole day. And there you have it, you guys. This is the completed full face all favorites makeup look. Hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me at all my social links. The social links are gonna be in the description box below. And until my next one, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.